Welcome to a new how-to video, and this time I'll show you how to replace a headlight light bulb for 2014 Ford Escape. And this is the car right here, and the headlights are these here, the outside ones, and this one on this side is not working anymore. So there's a message in the dash that says that the light bulb is out, and now it's time to take it out and put a new light bulb in. This one here, those are the high beams, and the high beams still work, so it's the low beams here. This light here, I tested it before, that is out. And for this project you'll need, just a new bulb. And in this case is an H11, and I bought the Silver Star Ultra, which is the a little more pricey than the normal regular light bulb, but this one is a little bit wider and is a little bit brighter as well, and it's street legal, which is important so you don't blind any other people. There are other brands out there that make bulbs that are more powerful, more bright, but they just brighten people, and of course the LED bulbs, and I wouldn't recommend them either for this car, for this application. LED bulbs are fine, but for this vehicle I would not recommend any LED bulb. So an H11 is what you need, and you need some hands and some gloves, and here we go. We'll see right here. Here's the fixture, and this one here is the high beam, and this one in here, let me turn this way. Okay, here we have our high beam, and this one here in the dark, that's our low beam, and I'm gonna take it out and I'll show you what it looks like in there. Okay, I took this cover off. It's just rubber and it pulls right off. And then I got a little flashlight here where you can see. There we go, that's our light bulb there, see? And you have to slightly turn on it, and then it should pop right out. And I believe you turn to the right, but I'm not positive, so we'll just try it right now. Hopefully the flashlight won't fall. Let's see. Yep, let's see. Turn it to the right, and now I can pull the old broken bulb out. Here it is. I'll pull that out this way. Here's the old one, and I'm gonna need two hands now to take that out, and I'll show you how to put the new one in. Okay, here's my old bulb that I took out, and see that little tap right there? Right there? That's what you push on, so that in order to release it, so you can pull the bulb out. Okay, so you push on that with your finger, and then you pull the bulb out. And since this bulb is broken, an old one that's not working anymore, it's a burned one, so I don't worry about it, and I'll just put it here on the dirty car. And I touched it with my gloves. So if it's a new one, you'll have to be careful to never touch the glass part of the bulb. Okay, never do that, and if you have to, use some paper or some really clean gloves to do so. Okay, I'm gonna go get the new one. That's right here. Again, I need my two hands so to get it out of the package, and then we'll put that one in. Okay, this is the bulb, and this is how you hold it. And when you buy a new one, make sure it's an H11, because this is what the pins look like. There's other bulbs like a 9005, they look about the same, but the pins are not as close together, and they will not fit the vehicle. In fact, we had this Ultra, what's it called? There's a Silver Star Ultra in it before, and we have one on the other side too. And so in the meantime, before I could buy a new one, I put an old one in that I have from a different vehicle, and there was a big difference. It's a lot more yellow, and yeah, just not a good bulb. So I'm glad I bought another Silver Star Ultra, so both sides match, and hopefully it will last a while. I'll put it in now, and I'll be right back. I successfully put the bulb in, and here's some other piece of advice. You probably can't put your head in there to see where the opening, that little hole is to put the bulb through, and you don't want to scratch the glass or touch it anything. So what you do is you look through here, and can you see the bulb in there? A little opening, and then you go in with your hand and you put your finger by it, and you carefully put the bulb in, and put a it's not even half a turn, a little turn to, in this case, to your left to plug it in, and then the bulb will be in. So before I put the cover back on, I will turn the car on and see if it works. So let's do that together. Go in here, push the brake, start the car. It says open hood. It does not have any message that a bulb is down or burned out. Everything looks good, and I can see that the light works. The lights are working too. Let's go look at them. Here we go. It's working. Our brights are on. Let's make a short check if all the other lights work as well. Turn the brights off. Okay, let's start right here. Puddle light works. Side marker works. Our parking lights work, and the fog lights as well. And on this side, same thing. And puddle lights works too. So everything is good. You can kind of look in here. You can see how it's lit up from the side marker, which that's an LED that I put in, and I do recommend LEDs for the side markers and for the parking lights as well, if you want to do that. So, all right, that was it, and I hope you enjoyed this little video about how to change a light bulb for the low beams in a 2014 Ford Escape. If you like the video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.